In front of me is BLUBOO S8, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. First of all, you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the More icon right here, and then select Call Settings. Click on Block Numbers then, and smoothly by tapping on Add a Number, you can block some number. So just enter the number here, tap on Block, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this number will not be able to reach you. Then if you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, select the cross icon, tap on Unblock, and that's it. It's no longer blocked, so he or she will be able to call you a message or call you smoothly. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can block number on your device in your BLUBOO S8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.